I just look at that scene and I just think I would need a lot of ibuprofen to deal with that. The headache that comes along with winter driving, especially if you haven't done it in about a year. There's things that you forget. So what you need to know about, snow continues to fall in the mountains right now. We get to Wednesday and Thursday. That's our next winter storm watch for the Cascades and the Upper Hood River Valley. We'll talk more about that here in just a moment. Right now, take in the scene. This is Vancouver, temperature of 44. We look across the river to Portland and the West Hills right here. The West Hills is what we're going to be watching carefully pretty much all week long. A few exceptions to that. We'll get to the timing on that here in just a moment. Wind is out of the northwest at about 7 miles per hour. Breaks in the clouds. We still continue to get those isolated showers running through. You can see it right here live on camera from our Subaru camera. This is in Portland, looking across the way to the southeast, and this is where you're running into, again, those very isolated showers. It's 45 right now in Portland. Our wind is out of the west at 9 miles per hour. Temperatures tonight, as we get those breaks in the clouds, that means the heat at the surface gets to escape into space. That leaves a lot of room for a big cool down. So temperatures going into the 30s for us tonight through tomorrow morning. Take you back up to the mountains here. You can see lots of snow, making those tree branches look really heavy. So what are we watching tomorrow morning for the Portland area? Pretty much anywhere in the north end of the Willamette Valley. Lower snow flurries possible. What does that mean? A flurry, a quick little flurry. That isn't a full-blown snow event. That's just seeing a few snowflakes pop up in the air, but not sticking to the valley floor. That's possible overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. That disappears by tomorrow afternoon. We get to rain. Wednesday and Thursday, that's your next tricky time for driving in the Cascades and the Upper Hood River Valley. That winter storm watch will be in effect going through Thursday. Why? Because of 1 to 2 feet of snow possible for the Cascades. Now let's talk about these tricky hours. As we get into those overnight periods and early morning, just as the sun is beginning to rise. So this is tomorrow morning. Our temperature for the Portland area could be anywhere from 33 to about 35. We know that snow can still fall even when the surface temperature is 35 degrees. How cold is it up above us? So that's a possibility for us. But notice as we get to Wednesday and Thursday, it gets a bit warmer. Here's your early Friday morning temperature, about 32. If that holds true for the end of the week, another opportunity to perhaps get some snow to be flying and perhaps even sticking to the West Hills by the time we get to that point. So here's a look at the next couple of days, your snow level forecast. There's that brief warm up I was talking about for Wednesday going into Thursday, and then we see it drop back off to about that 1,000-foot level as soon as we get to Thursday night going into Friday morning. So that is now you're flirting with Sylvan Hill, Sunset Highway, the potential to see some snow accumulating in those areas. Below that, though, you see the snow fly, but it's too warm to stick. So this is what we're talking about as an example. It's kind of like popcorn precipitation. A little pop here, a little pop there, but it's not widespread. This is an example of 1 o'clock in the morning. So for those hill sites right around that 1,000-foot to 500-foot mark, you might run into a few snowflakes. It's way too warm to see any snow for us by the time we get to Tuesday morning, but you might get it right over the coast range. That south flow means the valley floor just too warm. Foothills, no problem. A lot of precipitation coming through Wednesday. Going into Thursday morning, still have a south flow, but look at all that mountain snow taking over. We get to Friday early in the morning. Ho, ho, ho. All right, this is what we're watching closely. The possibility of running into just enough of an easterly flow taking over. If that happens, that might be a nice little recipe for some low elevation snow, but that's still several days off. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Things to watch out for the afternoon. When we transition from that mostly dry, occasional showery period, we get into the afternoon, and now we're talking about some rain coming through with some stronger winds. Now we get into that Friday morning AM wintry mix possible, hopping into the weekend, still very cold, so we'll have to watch basically the next 7 days very carefully. But again, it's those early morning hours when we're at our coldest. If we can get all the right ingredients in place at just the right time, that is our best chance at seeing any low elevation snow.
And that's when the kids wake up to see if they have to go to school
Right.
or get a day off. Thanks, Natasha.
Sure.
And coming up later in this newscast.